This is a brief tutorial to Plateau State University students on how to use and navigate the student portal or the student's dashboard for their course registration, printing of exam cards, and many other duties. This tutorial is coming to you from the ICT Directorate towards building a smart campus. To get to your student portal, you first of all visit this website, students.plasu.edu.ng. Launch it on your browser and it will bring you to this page. On this page, you will enter your username and your password. In this case, we're using a particular student as a dummy just for this tutorial. Okay. Now, for every student, your username and your password default is your matriculation number. So, but if you log in, you're always advised to change from the default to something different. So, for instance, I pick this particular details, username and password, and I log in. The moment I log in, it brings me to this dashboard. By the left-hand side, you will see dashboard, update biodata, register student, register course, payment management, hostel management, printable document, printable biodata form, and change password. Okay, so the first thing I will always advise is you change password. And to change your password, you click in here, enter the new password you want to change it. Then you say change password. This is to secure your account. Okay, now you can always come to this right hand side, top right, and view your profile. If you view your profile, it will give you the details that are here. So it's always good to confirm that the details that you have here is correct. If you have any issue, always relate back to the ICT Directorate. So let's go back to our dashboard. On our dashboard, you see here is flashing. Click here to print your exam card for first semester academic session. Okay, now if you click here, for instance, for exam card, you will see it will bring out this. It will bring out the name, your faculty, your course. You will see your matric number, your department, and your level. And here you see it says, please note that you must present your identity card before entry into the exam hall. This is only a document that will give you access into exam hall and must be adhered to. Do not use another student's exam cards, as this may be used against you in exam malpractice, and ensure you come to the venue promptly at exam time. There's always a barcode, all right? When you present it, we in ICT can scan this barcode and verify your identity. Here it says, warning, course registration not yet done. Can you see? Course registration not yet done for this particular student. So even if this student prints this exam card, he has no course that is going to be eligible to write the exam. So what are you supposed to do? Come back here, you see where it says register courses. If you click register courses, so you see this is where you're supposed to register course. From this student has not registered any course. So how do you register the course? You come here, it says click to register more courses. You see all the courses that the student can register. And anyone you see C, it means it's compulsory. So if you just say select all for this compulsory courses, let's just select all of it to show that we are registering all the courses that have C. You just select, can you see? Then you add and says add courses. You see, the moment you say add course, you see it has added all the courses for you, and they're all compulsory courses. It give you a total. You can also drop, select the courses and you want to drop. Okay, for second semester, you may wish to click here and then also select all, and then it will select all the courses you want to add, and if you say add courses, so you see it has added your first and second semester courses. So if this candidate comes back to the dashboard to print his exam card, or where it says printable document, These ones are issue of fees. So if I come to dashboard here and you see print exam card, you understand? Can you see? You see the courses that the person has registered for this exam. And you will see the student signature. He's supposed to take this to the exam officer of his department of geography to sign. All right. And then ICT can always scan this barcode to verify whether you say you are who you are. So this is for your exam. All right. From here, you see it has registered 18 courses. The number of units is 38. The current semester is first semester. The current session, the entry session 2024-2025. The current session 2026. Okay. So you need to make sure that all these things are correct. And you see, it will tell you your matric number here. It will also tell you the course that you are taking here. It will tell you your department and it will tell you the faculty. If any of this information is incorrect, always go back to ICT and they will fix it for you. For those of you that may be having issues with printing your course registration, you will see it will tell you you have 10,000 you have to pay either for late registration or maybe bench fee. You have to clear all your fees before you can proceed. Now, if you come to back to register courses and you want to drop these courses, assuming you want to select courses you want to drop. So let me come back here and drop the courses. Come back here and drop the courses and then drop selected course. Say yes. So you see it has dropped the courses. If you come back here, you see drop selected courses. All right. Then it has dropped the courses. Can you see? As simple as that. Always see at the top here, it will say has been dropped successfully or added successfully. If you want to update your biodata, maybe there are details you need to put in. For instance, you enter your email address, enter your JAM number, enter your phone number. You see, you can do all that here. You can enter all those records, add, and then update. This is where you update your records, okay? And then payment management. This is where all payments are done. You want to select payment. You can select payment type. You want to pay for change of course, pay for reabsorption, for logbook, whatever you want to pay. Then you enter the amount and then enter the session and then you're good. If you want to register for hostel, it's always here. You can select. Currently now, hostel is not available. That's why you cannot see. But on anymore, if it was available, you can register for your hostels here. Printable documents, you can always print your fees or any payment that you have made. You can always print your receipts here. So we've always advised, always print the receipt and keep them with you. Okay. And then you want to print your biodata because you're supposed to submit your biodata also to the department. Okay, go back to your various department, meet your level coordinators and submit your biodata. Make sure that it is complete. So you see if it is a maiden name, if there's anything missing here, place of birth, local government state, state of origin, marital status, religion, fill all these details, relationship of your contact and things like that. Okay, fill all these details. Now, once you fill all that you need to fill, then you now print it. We need to state here categorically clear that all issues relating to the portal, you can only go to ICT Directorate at the University, Plateau State University, Bokos, where your problems will be solved. Any other person that you go by proxy, and if there are issues, please do not blame ICT Directorate. Okay, so but for any issues you have, we highly and strongly recommend go to ICT and you will be attended to. Thank you very much for being part of us, and ICT is here to serve you in the best way we can so that we can build a smart campus. Thank you. Stay tuned. You can subscribe. We'll be posting in other tutorials that will guide you on how to access and manage resources in the ICT. Thank you very much. Have a very good day.